Tuesday, week 14. Cyber defense. I've got rooms, I think. Scaling. Talked a little bit about multi-area OSPF. Class lab, unit exams. We'll look at those next. So we did review, area border routers. We got routers inside an area. We talked about type 3 LSAs, moving between. We talked about type 2 LSAs when dealing with an Ethernet or a non-broadcast multi-access network like an Ethernet connection. We talked about redistribution of EIGRP into an OSPF network, and we also talked about an autonomous area border router connected into the internet. Talked about a couple areas. And then Chris and Chris cleaned up the previous labs. Now the new labs are on router 11, 12, and 13. Alright, and that's it.